Hi again. So here's a question. It's a geometry. We cannot use trig on this one, so we have to use elementary geometry to do this. So we're given two angles in the triangle, in the big triangle. One is 20 degrees and one is 80 degrees. And they want me to find x. And also we know this side right here, from here to there, and this side are equal. Now looking at this, I'm looking at the big triangle right here. And right away, I know, since this is 80 and this is 20, I could find the third angle by going 180 minus 80 degrees minus 20 degrees. And that will give me 80 degrees. So therefore, this angle here, all of this angle is going to be 80 degrees. And that makes this an isosceles triangle. So as we all agree now, this is an isosceles triangle with 80, 80, 20 angle. So at this stage, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw an equilateral triangle right here. So with this side and already, as we notice, this side are equal. And if that's the case, then an equilateral triangle, all the angles equal to 60 degrees. So this is going to be 60. This is going to be 60. And all of this is going to be 60, which makes this 40 degrees. From here, we could derive that this angle right here will be 20 degrees, since this was an isosceles triangle with 80 degrees on both angles here. So 80 minus 60 is 20 degrees. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these 2 points with a different line. And since we know this triangle right here is an isosceles triangle, and these two sides are equal. And from that, looking at these two sides here, that also makes this an isosceles triangle. So I want to find this and all of this right here. So I'm just going to go 180 minus 40. That gives me 140 degrees. And since it's isosceles, I'm just going to divide by 2. And that gives me 70 degrees, which makes this angle right here 70 degrees. And this will be 10 degrees, since all of this will be 70. So 70 minus 60, just 10 degrees. Let me just make this a little bit bigger so we could see it. So that's right there, 10 degrees. And now remember, when we started, we knew this side here equals this side. So this side right here equals this side from here to here. If we look deep now at these two triangles, this one right here and this one, we realize that both of them are congruent. And the reason that is, they are side angle side, given that the 20 degrees is between the two sides marked red and blue here. And here's the 20 degrees is between the two sides marked red and blue right here. So these two triangles are congruent. And since they're congruent, then this angle right here should equal this angle right here. And therefore, this would be the 70 plus 80, because all of this angle is 70 plus 80, which is 150. So this will be 150. And remember, the angle that we were looking for is this one right here. And since these two angles are angles on a line, then this here will be 30 degrees. And that's how we answer this very tough question. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel with over 500 videos about math. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.